Hello and welcome to another video, and today I will show you how to use a plain text, how to edit in Android Studio, and obviously this is going to be the easy way. This is what we'll do today. We'll have an application which has an edit text field where we can enter whatever text we want. It's going to be a name. When pressing this button, the hello world text will be changed into hello, whatever name we have typed there. In order to save some time and keep this video short, I will reuse a bit of code from my previous video. This is the project where I added a button and changed the content of a text view. If you don't know how to add a button and how to work with this, check the link in the description video and it will take you to the previous video. If you already know how to work with buttons, then let's have a look here in activity main XML. So this is the user interface of my current app. We have a text view, we have a button. This button has already a method declared and we need to add a plain text. So under text, you select plain text or whatever type of field you want to enter. You bring the plain text object on the screen, you just drag and drop it, and you define the constraints by, again, drag and dropping these arrows to the corners of the screen. So right now I've defined the place for this object. However, it stays too close to the button, so I will just give it a bit of space. I'm also not happy with the fact that the text is very small, so under attributes I will search for size and I will increase the size. Actually, this is too much. Let's make it a 28. This should be enough. You can also see that the current content says name, and I don't like this. We'll just delete the content and we will search for hint. We find this attribute and we type enter your name. And one more thing to do, we need to move this text towards the middle of the field. And for this, we look for another attribute, and this is text. It's text alignment over here. And we will select center. Okay, now this should be good for now. You can see that we entered the text as a hint. This is why it's light gray, so it's not black anymore. So this should be pretty much it. Oh, actually, I forgot about the ID. We'll give this new object an ID. We say edit text. And this should be fine. Once this is complete, we can move back to the main activity, and this is where we have to modify the text, the code a little bit. So we need to add the edit text item, and we'll say edit text box, and we'll find the view by ID once more, resource ID, and we'll choose edit text. This is a typo over here. Now this edit text is an object which is part of the, let's say, Android widget. So we'll just double click here. So we will have this class also imported. One more thing that we have to do, we have to use this. So we'll delete hello Android and we'll just say hello, and then we'll use the plus operator and say edit text box dot get text dot to string. Here we are. It's here. Now at this point, what we've done is to get the text from the edit text box, converted to string and concatenated to this hello hard-coded text. Don't worry about hard-coding text. We'll talk about this later on in other videos and explain how to get around this problem. But for now, we'll just keep it as it is. We can save everything. And let's run it and see if it all works out correctly. Don't forget to select your correct virtual device, and then you press run. At this time, the emulator has finished loading our new app, and as you see on the screen, you have the hello world message, the button saying press here, and this edit text field saying enter your name. So we will say Mike, for example, but obviously you can type anything that you want. You press here, and the text changes to hello Mike. So this is a simple app that we've done, and we've practiced using a button, taking a text as an input, and then doing something with that text, just displaying it on the screen. Now, if you have any questions, any suggestions, if there's anything that you would like to have clarified, leave a comment, and I will try my best to provide the answer. If everything is clear, then keep practicing, and hope to see you in the next video. Until such time, take care.